There have been some fantastic opportunities to buy the Japanese yen this week. Have you made money from it? If you have, fantastic. If you haven't, you need to watch this. Hi Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here. I'm the owner of the Forex Trading Coach, and I've been coaching Forex traders all around the world for almost 7 years now. Now I want to talk about what we've seen on the charts just this week, and you would have noticed, and you could have not failed to notice, massive movements across all the Japanese yen pairs. Huge strength in the Japanese yen across the board, across all pairs. And what it's done is it's presented us with some fantastic trading opportunities, opportunities that you don't see every week. You see, some weeks you'll get a good day or maybe a good couple of days with some good movements, but very rarely do we see a currency like the Japanese yen just show massive strength and it's continued the entire week. Quite often you'll see a good bit of strength in a currency and then you'll see it retrace a bit and maybe then go again. But this week, Japanese yen has just been the currency. But the interesting thing is, and the point that I'm wanting to make is, at the beginning of the week, did you know it was going to move either in which direction or how much it was going to move? And the answer is probably no. For myself, I had a fairly good understanding of which way it was going to move. And on Monday morning, at the beginning of the week, I posted on my website for my clients that I was looking at strength in the Japanese yen. And I said I was looking at selling opportunities for the week on the British pound Japanese yen and also on the US Japanese yen. Now, I didn't know at the time how much it was going to move, because so far this week, the pound yen's moved 800 pips. And the US yen's moved around 450 pips, which for that pair is a lot of movement. And the good thing, as I mentioned earlier, is that it's been pretty much a consistent movement. It hasn't been a big move down, then a big pull back and another go. It's been pretty much a downward trend the entire week on the pound yen and the US yen. Now the pound yen has had a particularly big move, 800 pips so far this week, with just 1 day to go. And when you think about it, for the past few weeks I've been talking about the weakness in the British pound. And you put that together with strength in the Japanese yen, so you've got weakness in the pound, strength in the yen, put the two together. It's just been a perfect currency in strength and weakness terms, and also technically on the charts, for that to just drop like a stone, and it has done that. So 800 pips, how much have you picked out of that big movement so far this week? How many smaller trades have you seen with good selling opportunities? So this week, as I mentioned on Monday, I said to my clients, look, I'm looking for short positions, pound yen, US yen, and throughout the week on the daily charts, I've been looking at weakness on those two pairs. And so the point I'm trying to make is that you need to have the ability not to see this in hindsight, because it's very easy in hindsight. I can look at a chart behind me here and say, pound yen's dropped 800 pips this week, fantastic. If you don't make money on it or don't have the ability to see that before it happens, or the ability to know when to place trades on those pairs, it really is meaningless. And so Monday morning, I said to my clients, this is what I'm looking for. So on the membership side, I post where I'm seeing the weekly directions, and then each day I post where I'm placing or seeing the overall, ideally, the daily directions. And then I'm actually writing down specific trades every day for my clients based on the day charts, with the reasons for the entry, the direction, all the reasons that I teach in my course of why I'm taking these particular trades, and the exact entry and exit levels. Again, all that is taught in the course. And then on top of that, when I hold my live webinars, I'm actually taking trades in real time in front of clients. So there are many ways in order to be able to see and understand in real time what I am doing and why. Now, I'm not right all the time, far from it. No one's right all the time. And if that's what you're looking for, then either myself or no one else out there, no one can help you. But if you're looking for someone that can help you with a good sound strategy, that has the vast majority of trades and directions correct, and giving reasons for those trades in those directions in advance of the market moving, that's what you need in order to help you to be able to trade in real time, to understand how the market moves, and to be able to make money from trading. So if you've not been on one of my free webinars, which are freely available to the public, I suggest you jump onto one of those next week, either if you're a new trader or a frustrated trader. Two different sorts of webinars designed for whatever type of trader you are right now. And then if you wish to take that further to my clients only live webinars where I'm trading on live account in real time in front of you, watching me trade, that's a different level again, and we can talk about that after. But the first thing you need to do is to hop onto one of those free webinars. And if you'd like to go further than that, fantastic. If you like the webinar and you don't wish to continue with my help afterwards, that's your call, and that's also fine. So I hope that helps. Leave a comment below if you've got some comments on this video, and if you'd like me to discuss any topic that you have regarding the Forex market on future videos and podcasts just like this one. Email me, andrew@theforextradingcoach.com, or leave your comment below this video. Look forward to talking to you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchem, the owner of the Forex Trading Coach.